Hey there, adventure seekers. Have you ever wondered what it's like to step into a world where nature's raw beauty takes your breath away? Where the air is crisp and clean, and the only sounds you hear are the whispers of the wind and the call of the wild? Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Wyoming, a state that feels like it's been plucked straight out of a dream. We're talking towering mountains, pristine lakes, and vast plains teeming with wildlife. This is the real deal, folks. The kind of place that makes you feel alive. So buckle up because this adventure is going to be wild. From iconic national parks to hidden gems, Wyoming has it all. But where should you start? Stick around, because we're unveiling the most incredible places you absolutely need to visit. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 5. It's a spot that'll make you feel like you're on another planet. First up, Yellowstone National Park. This iconic destination is a treasure trove of natural wonders and a testament to the Earth's raw beauty. It's America's first national park and an absolute bucket list destination. Spanning over 2.2 million acres, it offers a diverse range of landscapes and ecosystems. Imagine this. You're standing on a boardwalk, the ground rumbling beneath your feet. The air is filled with the scent of sulfur, and you can feel the heat rising from the earth. Suddenly, a plume of hot water and steam explodes into the air, reaching hundreds of feet high. It's a powerful reminder of the geothermal forces at work beneath the surface. That's Old Faithful, and it's a sight you won't soon forget. This geyser has been erupting like clockwork for centuries, captivating visitors from around the world. But Yellowstone is more than just geysers. It's a dynamic landscape shaped by volcanic activity, with hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles adding to its otherworldly charm. It's a land of vibrant colors, from the electric blue of the Grand Prismatic Spring to the emerald green forests that blanket the park. The colors are so vivid, they almost seem unreal. It's like stepping into a painter's palette. Each geothermal pool and hot spring offers a unique blend of colors, creating a mesmerizing visual feast. And then there's the wildlife. Yellowstone is a sanctuary for a diverse array of animals, each playing a crucial role in the park's ecosystem. Yellowstone is home to an incredible array of animals, from the mighty bison to the elusive wolf. These creatures roam freely, offering visitors a glimpse into the wild. You might spot a grizzly bear fishing for salmon in a rushing river, or a herd of elk grazing peacefully in a meadow. Each encounter is a reminder of nature's raw beauty. One of my favorite things to do in Yellowstone is to simply hike. The park offers a myriad of trails, each providing a unique perspective of this vast wilderness. There are trails for every level, from easy strolls to challenging climbs. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, there's something for everyone. And no matter where you go, you're guaranteed breathtaking views. The landscapes are ever-changing, offering new surprises around every corner. I remember one hike in particular. It was a serene morning, and the forest was alive with the sounds of nature. I was walking through a dense forest when I came across a clearing. The sunlight streamed through the trees, creating a magical atmosphere. And there, standing in the middle of the clearing, was a bull elk. He was majestic, a true symbol of the wild. He was massive, with antlers that seemed to span the entire clearing. It was a humbling experience to be in the presence of such a magnificent creature. We locked eyes for a moment, and then he slowly turned and disappeared into the trees. It was a fleeting moment, but one that left a lasting impression. It was a moment I'll never forget. These are the kinds of experiences that make Yellowstone truly special. Have you been to Yellowstone before? If not, it's a destination that should be on everyone's travel list. Let me know your favorite spot in the comments below, or if it's still on your travel bucket list. Share your stories and let's celebrate the wonders of Yellowstone together. Next up, Grand Teton National Park, a hiker's paradise and photographer's dream. Nestled in the heart of Wyoming, this park is a testament to nature's grandeur and beauty. Imagine jagged, snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, standing tall and proud, as if reaching for the heavens themselves, their reflections shimmering in the crystal-clear waters of alpine lakes, creating a mirror image that doubles the beauty. That's Grand Teton, and it's a sight that will stop you in your tracks. The sheer majesty of these mountains is enough to leave anyone in awe. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll around Jenny Lake, enjoying the serene environment and the gentle lapping of the water against the shore, or challenging yourself with a trek up Cascade Canyon, pushing your limits and feeling the burn in your legs, the views here are nothing short of spectacular. Each step you take reveals a new, breathtaking vista. Every turn reveals a new panorama of granite peaks, lush forests, and sparkling streams. It's like walking through a living postcard. Pro tip: sunrise is the magic hour. The early morning light casts a spell over the landscape. The way the first light hits the peaks, painting them in hues of gold and pink, is pure magic. It's a sight that will stay with you forever. It's worth getting up early for, trust me. The tranquility and beauty of the early morning are unmatched. I remember my first hike here. The excitement and anticipation were palpable. It was early morning and the air was crisp. Each breath felt refreshing and invigorating. The sun was just starting to peek over the horizon, casting a warm glow on the mountains. The entire landscape seemed to come alive. I was making my way up a steep trail when I suddenly came across a family of deer. They were a beautiful sight to behold. They were just standing there watching me with their big, curious eyes. It was a moment of pure connection with nature. I froze, not wanting to scare them. We shared a silent understanding. We stood there for a moment, just observing each other. It felt like time had stopped. Then as quickly as they had appeared, they bounded away into the trees. The moment was fleeting but unforgettable. Moments like that remind you why these places are worth protecting. They offer a glimpse into the wild, unspoiled beauty of our world. They're not just pretty pictures, they're home to an incredible array of plants and animals. Each species plays a vital role in the ecosystem. It's our responsibility to preserve them for future generations. By protecting these natural wonders, we ensure that they remain a source of inspiration and joy for years to come. Devil's Tower, Monument to Mystery. Now let's talk about Devil's Tower, a natural wonder that's as mysterious as it is majestic. Imagine a giant monolith, rising over 1,200 feet from the surrounding plains. Its sheer rock walls are striped with vertical columns, like a giant staircase leading to the heavens. This geological marvel, formed from molten rock that cooled and hardened millions of years ago, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Native American tribes consider it sacred, weaving tales of its creation into their legends. If you're into climbing, Devil's Tower is your ultimate challenge. Experienced climbers from around the world come to test their skills on its vertical walls, but even if you're not a climber, you can still appreciate its grandeur. Take a walk around the base trail, which winds through a ponderosa pine forest. As you circle the tower, you'll gain a new perspective on its massive size and unique formation. Look closely, and you might even spot climbers scaling its heights. The best time to visit Devil's Tower is at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the tower glows with a warm, ethereal light. It's a truly unforgettable sight. Wyoming's hidden gems, Bighorn Canyon and Fossil Butte. If you're looking for something off the beaten path, Wyoming has plenty of hidden gems. These are the places where you can escape the crowds and truly connect with nature. First up, Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. This hidden treasure is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Imagine towering red sandstone cliffs plunging into a deep blue reservoir. The Bighorn River, carving its way through the canyon, offers world-class trout fishing. Rent a kayak and explore the canyon's hidden coves and side canyons. Keep an eye out for bighorn sheep, which give the canyon its name. These agile creatures are often seen perched precariously on the cliffs. And for history buffs, Fossil Butte National Monument is a must-see. This unassuming landscape holds a secret. It's home to one of the richest fossil deposits in the world. Millions of years ago, this area was covered by a vast lake teeming with prehistoric life. Today you can walk in the footsteps of dinosaurs as you explore the monument's well-preserved fossil beds. Visit the Fossil Butte Visitor Center to see exhibits of fossilized fish, plants, and insects. You can even join a ranger-led hike to search for fossils yourself. Who knows, you might just make a discovery that changes history. Which hidden gem would you explore first? Drop your pick in the comments. Hot Springs State Park, where relaxation meets adventure. And here it is, Hot Springs State Park. Nestled in the heart of Wyoming, this park is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This place is your perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're looking to unwind or seeking a bit of thrill, there's something here for everyone. Imagine soaking in naturally heated mineral pools, surrounded by stunning scenery. The mineral-rich waters are not only soothing, but also believed to have healing properties. The steam rises around you, carrying away your worries, as you gaze out at the rugged beauty of Wyoming. It's a truly magical experience. Hot Springs State Park is home to the world's largest mineral hot springs, And the best part is, they're free to enjoy. Yes, you heard that right, free. Take a dip in the Big Spring, which flows at a constant temperature of 128 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like stepping into a natural hot tub. Or, for a more secluded experience, head to one of the smaller pools scattered throughout the park. These hidden gems offer a more intimate setting. But Hot Springs State Park is more than just hot springs. The park offers a variety of activities that cater to all interests. It's also a great place to spot wildlife. From birds to mammals, the park is teeming with life. A herd of bison roams freely within the park, and you're likely to see them grazing near the springs. It's a sight to behold. Keep your distance, of course, but it's a thrill to see these magnificent creatures up close. Their presence adds to the park's wild charm. For a bit of adventure, take a walk across the swinging bridge. This historic structure is not for the faint-hearted. This historic suspension bridge spans the Bighorn River, offering stunning views of the canyon. It's a perfect spot for photography. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe, but it does sway a bit in the wind. The gentle movement adds to the thrill. I visited this spot last summer, and let me tell you, the combination of warm waters and scenic views was just what I needed to recharge. It was an unforgettable experience. It's the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring Wyoming's wild side. Whether you're here for relaxation or adventure, Hot Springs State Park has it all. Your Wyoming adventure awaits. Wyoming truly is a land of wonder, offering something for every kind of traveler. Whether you're chasing epic hikes, serene lakes, or fascinating history, this state has you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Come experience it for yourself. Get out there and breathe in the fresh air, feel the sun on your face, and let the wild beauty of Wyoming captivate your soul. You won't regret it. Before you head out to plan your Wyoming adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your travel buddies. Let's keep the adventure going. See you in the next video. Happy